Are you or someone you know battling multiple sclerosis? Discover a revolutionary guide that promises a new understanding and treatment for MS. The Multiple Sclerosis Solution by Jodi Knapp targets the root causes of MS, not just its symptoms. This guide is designed to help you regain your health. It offers natural methods to manage your condition affordably and effectively. You can start improving your life today. This program stands out for 3 key reasons. First, it provides a simple, structured approach in 3 phases. Second, it focuses on reducing inflammation and stabilizing the immune system. Finally, it emphasizes natural healing methods that rejuvenate your entire body. Let's see how it works. The first phase helps heal the body by improving gut health and reducing inflammation. In the second phase, you'll learn about essential supplements and how to eliminate harmful toxins from your environment. Finally, the third phase enhances nerve health and functionality through specialized nutrition and exercise. Many users report significant improvements in energy levels and cognitive abilities. They share stories of restored mobility and overall well-being since starting this program. Don't just take our word for it. The effectiveness of Jodi Knapp's method is backed by numerous positive reviews and testimonials from real users. With an overall score of 9.5 out of 10, this guide has proven to be a valuable resource in managing multiple sclerosis. In summary, the Multiple Sclerosis Solution is more than just a guide, it's a pathway to revitalizing your health. With its natural, economical approach, it's designed to reduce symptoms, improve focus, and restore mobility. Are you prepared to take charge of your health? Head over to the Multiple Sclerosis Solution's official website by clicking the link in the description below. Begin your journey of transformation today.